Today on Bez Reviews, we're looking at the eufy Omni S2 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, a high-end cleaning solution for almost any floor type. This robot promises a hands-free experience with its advanced features and comprehensive self-cleaning station, aiming for pristine floors with minimal effort. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's dive into the core cleaning capabilities of the Omni S2. We will examine its vacuum power, mopping sanitization, and the benefits of its automated station. The eufy Omni S2 is built to deliver exceptional cleaning results. From deeply embedded dirt to sterilized hard floors, it brings a powerful arsenal of features. The self-cleaning station then takes over, making daily upkeep truly effortless in your home. This robot offers strong vacuum performance with 30,000 PA suction. It removes 95% of dust, mites, and allergens from carpets, ensuring a truly deep clean for your home. For mopping, the Omni S2 generates electrolyzed water, killing 99.99% of bacteria on hard surfaces. Its Hydrojet 2.0 system cleans the roller mop with 140 degrees hot water in real time. The self-cleaning station is a highlight, offering a 12-in-1 hands-free experience. It auto-empties dust for over 2 months, hot washes the mop, and hot air dries it for easy maintenance. Pet owners will appreciate the TVSD certification for 0% hair tangles. Its duo-spiral brush design ensures pet hair passes through without wrapping, maintaining consistent performance. Overall, the Omni S2 truly shines in its core cleaning and self-maintenance, providing a powerful and incredibly convenient floor care solution. Now, let's explore the intelligence behind its movement and adaptability. We'll look at navigation, floor type adaptation, and air quality features. The eufy Omni S2 isn't just about powerful cleaning. It's incredibly smart in how it navigates your space. Its advanced sensors and software allow it to understand its environment, adapt to different flooring, and even improve your home's air quality. Its intelligent navigation is impressive, featuring 3D Matrix Eye 2.0. It recognizes over 200 obstacle types, avoids small objects, and lets you customize cleaning through the eufy app. The Omni S2 intelligently detects floor types, boosting suction on carpets and lifting the mop to prevent wetting rugs. It adapts seamlessly across various surfaces for optimal cleaning. This robot includes multi-cone 5-layer filtration, capturing 99.99% of dust and allergens. It also features a built-in fragrance diffuser, leaving your home smelling fresh after cleaning. For convenience, the eufy app and voice assistants provide control, but 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi is necessary. An optional auto refill and drainage system is available for complete water management. Overall, the Omni S2 delivers a highly intelligent and adaptable cleaning experience, with advanced navigation and air quality features that enhance its overall value. The eufy Omni S2 is a truly impressive robot vacuum and mop, setting a high bar for automated floor care. Its advanced cleaning power, smart navigation, and robust self-cleaning station combine to offer an incredibly hands-free experience. While its premium price means a significant investment, the comprehensive feature set justifies the cost for those seeking top-tier convenience and cleaning performance.